Hi everybody, it's Jodi. I wanted to come on live to talk to you about this crazy good deal that Stampin' Up! Is offering starting tomorrow with our starter kit. I wanted to come outside, but I honestly didn't realize how windy it is. So hopefully that won't be a distraction for either of us. But anyhow, I wanted to talk to you about the starter kit deal, but also do it objectively. So I know I've been with Stampin' Up! A demonstrator for over 24 years and, have been using Stampin' Up! Products for even longer than that. So I get how you could look and say, of course she's saying this is the best deal ever. Of course she is. That's what she does for a living. But I want to look at it objectively. So as an example, I placed an order with another direct sales company to support a friend's party a couple nights ago and, placed a decent sized order. If that company, which I love the products, I have zero desire to sell the products or build a business with the products. But if they offered an opportunity to get their products at a discount that was only $35, I would 100% jump on that opportunity. So looking at it objectively, I'm just here to say if you love Stampin' Up! Products, and you want to get a good deal on the actual products, on the kit itself, and then get the ongoing discount, it's kind of just an obvious decision. Now, there's two different kit options in October. You can pay $35, just $35, and you get to choose up to $125 in product. So that's whatever you want to get, up to $125 in product for just $35. Plus tax. Shipping is free on that. Or the second option is to choose up to $189 worth of product and just pay $99 plus tax. So either one of those are a great deal. Whether you want to, get in at the $35 or $99 price point, you're getting a ton of product for what you're paying, plus the free shipping. I mean, that's 11% right there. So it's always great to save on that. So whichever starter kit you would choose, you then get a demonstrator discount on top of that. And even if you do nothing, even if you don't order one single thing, you're going to have access to the discount and all of the resources through next April. So objectively, when I'm looking at it, even if you have no desire to do anything other than get products you love at a discount, it's a good decision for you to get one of the two starter kits, whichever one works better for you. When you join my team, there's a lot of perks and benefits. We're part of an even bigger community of demonstrators. We share so many ideas, free tutorials, just all this, just community and interaction. I also have some in-person events here in Frankenmuth, usually about once a quarter. So if that's something that interests you, you are more than welcome to participate in those things. But if that doesn't interest you, that's okay too. Literally, if you just want the discount on products that you love, that's a great reason to join. So I will put a link in the comments here, and you can just click on that link and it will take you to my website. And starting tomorrow, October 1st, it'll give you the option to choose one of those kits and get in with such a great value. If you do have questions though, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm happy to answer any questions that you have. But, just consider if it's the right time for you. And if it is, I am more than happy to welcome you on my team. All right. Have a good one.